What's up, YouTube? Aaron with Siegfried's Motorwerx here today, bringing you another episode of What's Up at Motorwerx. Just getting to wrap up for the day. Here, I actually had a guy come up from Baltimore, Maryland, and bought a bike from us. It was an FJ1200 we had here on consignment for a good friend of ours. We ended up selling the bike for him to the guy from Baltimore, so he came up and picked that up. Actually, the guy ended up being a vlogger, so he has a YouTube channel as well. We're going to link that interaction when he posts it up here. He ended up filming the whole process. So if you want to see what goes into buying a bike from Siegfried's Motorwerx, even though it is a consignment bike, check out his link and you can see all of that. As far as what's going on here at the shop, we just got an 01 Harley-Davidson electric glide in. Super nice, clean bike. Has a little bit higher miles on it, 57,000. For the touring bikes, it's not necessarily a lot, but was going to ride this bike today and was going to do a walk around on it today, but it is raining outside. So we'll catch that one next time we're in, so keep an eye out for that one, but that one will be on smwx717.com later today. Kimco still here, Honda Shadow 1100, Harley-Davidson Softail, Elite, Breakout, that's a Ruckus we just got in. I'll get to that as we go back. But as you can see, we're still in pre-remodel stage here at Motorwerx, so things are a little bit tight. We're going to be almost tripling our floor space here once we do the remodel, so we'll feel a little bit more spread out. But yeah, coming back here, 2006 Honda Ruckus that we just talked about up there, camo special edition, has some cool little add-ons to it, custom key case, Cheeky's carbon fiber style seat cover, little aftermarket turn signals in the rear, NCY grips, couple cool little ones on this one. Other than that, bone stock, 2,600 miles on it. Sorry, 2,900 miles on it. So if you're looking for a Ruckus, that one's here, that one's for sale. That'll be live on the website. There's a walk around video, I'll put it up here. There's also a ride video, I'll put that up there as well. So if you're in the market for a Ruckus, that's the one. Shout out Yamaha Motors USA, RC3 is still sitting exactly the same way it was last time you saw it. Making some headway on this Puma Duma Zuma, whatever this thing is, Chinese scooter. Anytime you're working on a Chinese scooter, you're fighting wiring issues on top of whatever the reason is for not running. So ended up putting a new harness on that one, and we're trying to work through just the electrical side of that scooter first. Once we get that dialed in, then we can actually go through and figure out what's up with the motor. We had talked earlier in the series about this Nighthawk. I didn't know why I bought it. I don't know what I'm going to do with it. Well, now we know. We are going to be doing a cafe racer build on this Nighthawk. These make awesome platforms for that. We have a couple cool ideas. This will be our first cafe racer build that we'll be doing. We'll probably do a series on it like we do everything else. So if you're interested in what goes into building a Nighthawk cafe racer, we're going to be doing one on that bike. Our tech, Andrew, has his Fat Bob 107 up here. This is a monster of a bike. Milwaukee 8 107 has a set of Woods 777 cams in it. Pro pipe, tuned up real nice. That's probably the fastest, higher RPM Harley-Davidson I've ever ridden. That bike's here. As long as weather cooperates and he gets the service done on he wants to get done, hopefully get a ride video on this one up here before too long. We also have a golf cart that will probably be coming for sale here in the near future. It's a Easy Go electric. Just kind of it kind of fell into my lap how we got it. So we'll be going through that one, and once we have this thing dialed in 100%, this one will be for sale too. In the back here, let me turn on the light. In the back here, you can kind of see the wide butt. This is a Honda 185S trike. Real wild little story behind that one. The guy got it brand new from his father when he was in 5th grade. He's in his 50s now. And he got that thing. It's been sitting for a little bit. He wants to get it running, get it going again. So we're going to be getting that one all dialed up here as soon as we get a free lift. As far as our Elite build, we just finally got a piece in so we can start making some headway. We did get this bracket in. A buddy of mine owns a fabrication shop called Fortitude Welding and Fabrication. He just had this billet clamp for me made. We are using a fly riser, but he did get this billet clamp for me made. So now we can actually start making some headway on this thing now that we know what we're going to be doing with the bars. So hopefully see this one up and running here before too long. And yeah, but anyways, thank you so much for watching this episode of What's Up at Motorwerx. We appreciate everyone checking in on us, and if you can, like this video, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment. We'd love to hear from you guys and let us know what you want to see and don't want to see, what you do and don't like about our videos. We're doing these for you. This isn't for us, this is for you guys. So thanks again for watching, and we'll catch everybody on the next episode of What's Up at Motorwerx.